Hello everybody, Namaskar, Namaste. I'm on my way to AAC Anti-Addiction Campaign number 423 at Presidency School, Nandini Layout Branch. I must appreciate the socially responsible management of the Presidency Group of Institution. I must appreciate the Director of Academics, Dr. Angelo Michael De Cruz, for showing so much of support towards this awareness so that this awareness can reach their students and their schools. So this is the first session or the anti-addiction campaign in Bangalore that is happening for the Presidency Group of Schools at Presidency School, Nandini Layout. I'm looking forward to meet all my dear soldiers there for AAC Anti-Addiction Campaign number 423 at Presidency School, Nandini Layout.
Knowledge and the spirit of enlightenment. Just everyone lights up the surroundings.
More or less like an अड्डा मतलब आप भी हमसे बातें कीजिए, हम भी आपसे बातें करेंगे. This is अड्डा number 423. अड्डा number 423. And now we come to a very important, to prove what? We come to a very important discussion. Boys have a very foolish issue of proving themselves, macho. By doing all these bad things, to prove themselves equal to the boys. Let me come to that. You have to understand, before coming to that, two very positive words you have to learn and to understand the correct meaning. The dark forces will always give you the wrong meaning. The first word for the boys is masculinity. Masculinity. And the second word for the girls, for the women, feminism. Very. Yes. I love you so much. I'm going to give you a humpy for this. What's your name? Diplan said something very, very valuable. How can we prove that हम बड़े हो गए? Right?
Supporting your family.
Family बोलने से मम्मी पापा अब्बू अम्मी माँ बाबा अरे कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Those two people unconditionally sacrificing a fool. Once more, big clap for the girls. And the girls were the popular. My family members who are female here, how can you prove yourself equal if you are, emulating or copying the mistakes of somebody? Prove. I've seen many faces, in the section. You are telling such right thing. You are so inspirational. जैसे दिव्यांश बोला, जैसे सिद्धार्थ, अनविता, all these people. These people भटक गया because they couldn't use their independence and money. जैसे आज तुम 8th 9th इसमें हो, जैसे तुम 10th 11th से आगे जाओगे, कॉलेज में जाओगे, independence ज़्यादा मिलेगा. Hostel में weapons give you that power to live a good life. Independence को इस्तेमाल करो, तो घर से और ज़्यादा independence मिलेगा, हाँ या ना? लेकिन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा तो क्या होता है? लड़के एक बार घर से इंडिपेंडेंस मिला, उसका भार मरो के, उसका गला दबा के, ऐसा क्या घर से कभी निकलने नहीं दे रहा है, हाँ या ना? पैसा मिला सोचने लगता है अथर्वा कि वो लोग सुपरमैन बन गया, वंडर वुमन बन गया, ये पूरा इमॉर्टल हो गया, कुछ नहीं होगा, हम बच जाएंगे, हमारा तो टैलेंट है, हम तो पॉपुलर है। अरे कुछ नहीं होता है, लेकिन वो तो इंसान है। तो हम लोग घर में what won't mix with the blood, what won't reach the organs, and बंदा या बंदी कितना कूल है सोच रहा है, लाइक ऑक्सीजन नहीं है मेरे ऑर्गन्स में, ऑक्सीजन नहीं पहुंच रहा है, देख चल चल वेपिंग कर चल चल हुक्का चल चल around them, but using HCF I will never include you or if I feel that you are not giving importance to it. You are no one for me. You are just somebody whom I just like ऐसे बच्चे बस कर रहा है, कुछ भी कर रहा है, भर के कार अंदर जा रहा है, which is black, heavy and sticky. And ये जो alveoles है block हो रहा है। ये अल्कोहल ऐसा चीज है जिसको अंदर डालने से ना अपना भलाई ख्याल में रहता है, ना दूसरों की भलाई ख्याल में रहता है। What should I put it in the body? Slang words. I don't misuse my smartphone. Smartphone gives you a lot of power. Internet gives you a lot of power. Spider-Man dialogue. With power comes responsibility. This is a gadget that you have. It has such positive, strong powers, but you will not use those strong powers. You will do all kinds of wrong things there and be exposed to those wrong things there and expose yourself over there wrongly. Because it's big. And it's not about 8th, 9th graders, it's so alarming. You see, yes, you see age group of 6, 7, 8, 9, not grade, 6, 7, 8, 9 years exposed to Instagram. Parents are exposing them on the Instagram. For what? Body language. So you spread it in your own way to the younger sister, brother, in your family, to your friend. एक person को तुम spread कर सकते हो ना? Everybody takes responsibility in spreading one person. You know there are 400, 500 vapings and hookahs and all. Just imagine, Chirantan. Life is so beautiful. We have such a beautiful life to live and enjoy. Suppose हम तुम आयुष and Atharva and सब Anita, we go out today for a party. जितना पैसा मिलेगा, जितना चंदा मिलेगा घर से, उसी हिसाब से we can watch a movie, we can go to a theme park, we can go to a good restaurant, we can have lots of fun, 1,000 selfies. This is the way to enjoy? नहीं, this is not the way to enjoy. They will tell you कहाँ है ये बोरिंग सा आदमी क्या भटका रहा है लोग को. Enjoy करना है भाई. कौन बोल के गया रे 31 दिसंबर के इतना तक नहीं पिएगा, इतना तक ड्रग्स नहीं करेगा तो 1 जनवरी नहीं आएगा? कौन बोल के गया? कितना भी ड्रग्स, कितना भी कुछ, हमको कुछ नहीं होगा. कहाँ यार? ब्लड सेल्स, मसल्स, टिश्यूज. These are all learning examples. सीखते हो, नहीं सीखते हो. सोए हुए हो तुम लोग. सुला दिया वो लोग, सुला दिया तुमको स्प्रे करके. Can you come up on the stage? So maybe बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है. अगर गाली गलौज वल्गैरिटी ऑब्ससीनिटी वायरल हो सकता है, लाखों करोड़ों देख सकता है बुद्धू लोग गधे लोग, एक अच्छा चीज जो हम तुमको प्रोपेगेट करना चाहता है वो क्यों नहीं वायरल होगा, क्यों नहीं प्रोपेगेट होगा? अगर तुम नहीं चाहोगे तुम्हारे पास पावर है, मेरे पास पावर नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास पावर है. You have the power. We can join hands together, right? अकेले हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, but together we can do a lot. So by joining hands together, Chirantan, you become the first soldier. You become
soldier.
The first. मतलब ये जो प्रेसिडेंसी स्कूल हमको लाए हैं कलकत्ते से यहाँ पर, हम एक भी पैसा चार्ज नहीं किया उन लोग को, किसी को चार्ज नहीं करते. तो बिना पैसों के फ्री में ये काम करते हैं तुम्हारे लिए, right? Sir, I believe that you are my family. Just मम्मी पापा की तरह. मम्मी पापा पैसा चार्ज करते हैं कि तुम्हारे भलाई के लिए नहीं चार्ज करते. तो हम भी एक आदमी हैं, एक इंसान है तुम्हारे लाइफ में आज इंक्लूड हुए जो पैसा चार्ज नहीं करता तुम्हारे भलाई के लिए. Think whether you are not or not. Let the adda proceed and then let me see how much you come close to me. Let me see. First option you can take एक कान से उठा के एक कान से निकाल देंगे. The second option you can take is दादा की बात एक बार सुने तो सही. Say that he is not a criminal. He is not a criminal. Sir, can we give a big hand to Atharva? So Atharva, you say that he is not. That is more important than Siddharth's reason, because I'll tell you Atharva. We have a bad habit. What bad habit? We have a bad habit of pointing the fingers at everybody. The first, तो Almighty भगवान अल्लाह वाहिगुरु जो भी नाम दे, बुद्धि दिया तुमको, you got a brain, and these entities in your life called teachers are giving you vidya. अथर्व विद्या और बुद्धि को, I once more I repeat, विद्या और बुद्धि को इस्तेमाल करना, एग्जीक्यूट करना रॉकेट साइंस है क्या? Looks and your popularity and your talent is going to save you if you corrupt this best gift. Blood cells, muscles, tissues. Nothing. So we are between that compromise. विद्या, बुद्धि, क्लास में सीख रहे, उसको हम इस्तेमाल क्यों नहीं करते? अगर बायोलॉजी में लिवर का 8 फंक्शंस पढ़े, वही लिवर को क्यों खत्म करेंगे दारू पी के? And if you corrupt this best gift, this word which starts with H gets corrupted. So H for? सुनाई नहीं दे, H for? So your H gets corrupted. And when this word gets corrupted, it has made me not to surrender to the dark forces. HCF. You don't have to give extra effort to these two. You only give effort to this word. Only effort to this. क्या खा रहे हो, क्या पी रहे हो, किसके साथ मिक्स कर रहे हो? Chemicals. What is this word? Chemicals. These are alien products, synthetic products which don't belong in your body. Already food, air and water is giving so much of chemicals and pollutions inside. Yes or no? You cannot live without food, air and water, can you? No. You need to put chemicals inside your body. और जो लड़का या लड़की तुमको force कर रहा है, brain wash कर रहा है, cool है यार, chemicals घुसा. Why? Why do you need to corrupt your body? Why? वो तुम्हारा दोस्त नहीं है. So they are smoking, they are boozing, they are using slang. But don't include those people in your life. That is important. And HCF is always going to filter that out for you. तो ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट कर दिया. उन लोग के लिए who finds it glamorous, उन लोग के लिए जो फैमिली में देखते आ रहे हो, and chances are that you will also become one of them because you have seen it normalized. Cigarettes and daru you have been normalized. Any occasion in the house, picnic हो, family gathering हो, ये हो, वो daru is already their party. So you're brainwashed that party means alcohol. Ask me. B, when you put in chemicals and corrupt your organs inside the body, which is a part of your best gift, how can that be a celebration? Tell me. But no, वो अभी ना बोल रहा है, लेकिन as you grow up, if you don't take the second option, invariably you will forget this day and this moment and this person who has come. A lot of response. That's why I came to you. That is why I am telling you कि आज जो school and me collaborate किया for this moment, from where we benefit nothing, but we will benefit if Chirantan, Ayush, Siddharth, Anvita, Atharva, you will take a decision of not going to a cigarette shop ever, not going to that daru shop ever. That will be my multi-million-dollar check from presidency. But if you take the first option, यहाँ पे जो बातें कर रहा है इसीलिए किसको तुमको बोला कि मेरा बात सुनो. Why do I care if you listen or don't listen? Tell me, you have to understand. तू अगर सुने या ना सुने, तेरा नाम क्या होगा? हाँ? तू अगर सुने या ना सुने, नहीं सुन रहा, I could have overlooked him, right? नहीं सुन रहा मेरा बात. But like मम्मी पापा क्यों डांटते हैं? कौन डांटता है? जो प्यार करता है, जो तुम्हारा अच्छा चाहता है, वही डांटेगा. नहीं तो तुम बाहर में जाओ, सुनो ना सुनो हमको क्या. I'm pointing at you have lost the sense. तुम लोग उसी के जाके रिफेक्ट एंड वही बंदा तुमको मैसेज दे रहा है कि आओ रमी 11 खेलो, आओ जंगली ये खेलो, जुआरी बन जाओ, सट्टेबाज बन जाओ. घर बार सब बेच दो, जुआरी बन जाओ, 12 साल 11 साल 10 साल की उम्र में लड़का लड़कियां जुआरी बन गए. Courtesy those celebrities. To read my fingers, this fight Joel said, when you are following somebody or something without asking a question, without asking a reason, it is called a trend. Which is actually तो famous का दो definition ये है. When you are doing something good for the society and when you have some talent inside you, you are being viewed. Infamous का definition क्या है? तो हम भी एक step higher करेगा कुछ, मेरा भी views बढ़ेगा. You know the view of no, don't fall into that trap of being viewed. अच्छी चीज करो अगर तब व्यू, otherwise you don't need the views of strangers and creeps and perverts all around the world, do you? 100 on 100. I'm very impressed with our hard work, with our obedience, with our sense of responsibility. तुम्हें ऐसे सोचा कि तुम खाली हाथ जाओगे, तुम्हारे लिए
So, AAC Anti-Addiction Campaign number 423 at Presidency School, Nandini Layout comes to an end, and what a session it was. Memorable session, memorable session. I must thank all the teachers, the non-teaching staffs, the technicians, and of course my dear soldiers, for being so enthusiastic, so participative into making this session in this Adda into a memorable one. I'm missing all of y'all. See, y'all didn't want to leave me, neither did I want to leave y'all. Till the next time we meet, take care of your health, take care of your career, take care of your family, HCF. Till the next time we meet, I'm sure you're going to take the second option कि भैया की बात एक बार सुने तो सही और ज़िंदगी में उसको इस्तेमाल करे तो सही. Till the next time we meet, I am the king of my mind. And till the next time we meet, love you all. Bye. See you once more in Presidency School, Nandini Layout very soon.
Views, all that is left in your life is views. कुछ भी करके views लाना है. Such dangerous traits. Where do something honestly to earn that money. Why will you live by chance? And living by chance is so deadly and so dangerous. When you live by chance, you have no assurance that you will earn that money. And in that process, you go on selling everything. Because of something, I'll come to that. So, gambling is a monster. Don't let that in. And these dark forces are already making you gamblers by all these games. Please don't get me wrong. Please don't understand. एक खड़ूस आदमी आया हमको video games खेलने के लिए मना कर रहे नहीं. All my life, I have played video games. All my life. And I love playing video games. But the point I am telling you is, पैसा देके मत खेलो. That is dangerous. एक video game के लिए you're losing the basic sense of your security, your ambition and everything. 17 in front of all the friends and teachers and principal and headmistress. This confession. तो हम तुमको एक argument देता है आज. To listen to the argument, say I can't force you that गाली दे तो नहीं देना. I can't force you, but I can give you my argument. He had 3 sons. My bade papa or my dadu's eldest son, his name was Monojit Chakraborty. My father, I lost my father some days back. So I was telling Atif. So as I was waking up to catch my flight, I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning. ऐसा लगा कि बाबा बोल रहे हैं उठ 4 बजे तेरे को उठना है. अरे वो जोर से जागो. And the mind inside me is constantly telling me, Bobby, pio, everything is free for you. Everything is free for you. I tell my mind, hey, shut up. You don't tell me what to do, I am going to tell you what to do because I am the I am the king of my mind. You don't control me, I'm going to control you because I am the
एक फूक मत. We don't realize that one फूक becomes 100 फूक्स in no time. कब रियलाइज करते हैं? जब लंग्स पूरा काला हो गया, लंग्स पूरा ब्लॉक हो गया, 30 साल 35 साल उम्र में you are in the hospital, doctor have taken away 50 lakhs from you.
If you want to live a life of a proper gamer without becoming a juari, without putting your life at stake, you can join my hands. Okay, not everybody, come. Can you give a hand to all the soldiers here? Bas. So Siddharth becomes the trendsetter. Siddharth becomes trendsetter of Adda number 423. So can you give a big hand to the trendsetter? The company that you keep, those log that you keep, whether it's a girl, whether it's a boy, that will shape your life. Remember. What is people? Donkeys. Do you want to grow up as donkeys in your life? Yes or no? You are mine. You are mine. You are mine. And we believe in a formula, Mama, which is HCF. H for? C for? F for? And when you believe in this formula, you believe in a mantra, which is I am the king of my mind. We shout it out.